So this is Lake Point Park, which is in the city of Lake Elsinore. It's a open recreational area offering children's playground, trails, sports fields, and very beautiful view of Lake Elsinore. So I came here in the morning. I like peaceful and natural places where I can sit calmly and relax. So this was very beautiful place surrounded by beautiful mountains and just on the edge of Lake Elsinore. You can see how beautiful and peaceful it is, no distraction, no busyness of life, and it's really beautiful, quiet and happy place. So in Lake Elsinore there is a public beach and a paid beach also, where you can go there and rent a boat, or you bring your boat and do sailing in the lake. So that is the paid one. I'll show you which is the public one. I'll ping the location as well. So we are here, and you can see that plane going. That plane is for skydiving. And we are here in this park, very peaceful and quiet park. And I'll show you where is the car park and boat rental. Okay, so here it is. So this place you see is for renting the boat, you can park there. This place you see is the beach. This is the beach. I'll ping and mention both of these location on in description, so you guys can see and go, because I had to find this. There is not much information available, so why not make a video about it. So I will go here. It's a car park there. You can see there are some cars, and I can rent a boat to roam around the lake. Okay, so let's go there. So this is a public beach in Lake Elsinore. The other beach on the other side of the lake is paid one. You have to pay to enter there, and you can sail through boats. And you can see that this is the garden from where I came. So Lake Elsinore is a city in western Riverside County, California. Established as a city in 1888, it is one of the shore of Lake Elsinore, a natural freshwater lake about 3000 acres, almost 1200 hectare in size. The city has grown from a small resort town in the late 19th and early 20th centuries to a suburban city with approximately 70,000 residents. So it's quite a happening city now. So you can see, even though it's a very big lake, a big water body, but whole water is green here right now. I think it's because of the algae formation, and it's also smelling like that. There are few people still doing swimming and fishing here, and the sign is there, you can do that. Few birds there, and that's the park from where I came. So even though the sign is there of swimming and doing fishing, but I won't recommend. The water doesn't look good. It's full of algae. You can see it's very green. Oh, so I forgot to mention that this beach is called Elm Grove Beach, and this is a public beach in Lake Elsinore city. Lake Elsinore is actually a name of the California city. So apart from visiting Lake Elsinore, there is skydiving also nearby. So if you want, you can check it out. Apart from Lake Elsinore, this is Lake Matthews in Riverside County. This is a lake where the water is used for drinking water. That's why public access is not allowed. And you can see that it's a deep blue, very clean water. And we are standing on the side of the road. So this is the side of the road which is on the edge of Lake Matthews. It's a very clean, deep blue water. You might have noticed the water in Lake Elsinore was deep green because of the algae formation, but this is deep blue, which is very pure water, and it is used for drinking. It's a very clean water, very beautiful sight. So apart from these beautiful lakes in Riverside County, you have balloon ride in Temecula, skydiving in Lake Elsinore. You can visit Lake Elsinore, do a boat ride there. This is Lake Matthews. You can come to this side of the road, which is on the side of lake, and have a look here. So there are multiple places where you can visit natural beauty and have very relaxing your free time, vacation time. So I hope you like the video. Please leave your comment and give me a like. Help me grow this channel. Please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.